In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating some automations for your Expiring mini audio course. And these are triggers that make it way more engaging, way more fun, and get your listeners to take action. So we want to create a new automation and select your course. And then we're going to select different events that your listener does or doesn't do that will trigger a message to happen. All right. So one of the first ones I like to do is when the listener gets access, I will trigger an SMS. And if I have WhatsApp as well connected, I'll trigger a WhatsApp. And basically all it says is, welcome. Let's personalize it. Your first task is to add me to your contacts so you can reach me anytime. Carla. Maybe you can give them a little bit more. You can embed an image or a GIF by copying and pasting the URL to that image or to that GIF here. I am not going to do it for this demo, but you could do that as well. So when the listener gets access, sending them an SMS and or a WhatsApp message. The next thing I want to do is when a new episode becomes available. So as you remember, episode 3 and episode 4 release after they play the previous one. So episode 3, when that one gets released, I'm going to send them a text message that says, woohoo, episode 3 is unlocked. Keep going. And again, you can put in a little GIF. And if you have WhatsApp, I don't have my WhatsApp connected, but you can send a WhatsApp message. You can also send an email. So you could create that urgency. Keep going. You got 3 days. And you episode 3 just dropped. Keep going before it's gone forever. And you want to tell them why they need to, the payoff, you're going to get leads forever. Come on, just keep going. And you can send a notification to yourself, to your own email, if you want to know that email delivered. Okay. So when that episode becomes available, and I also want to do that when the offer, right? So I want to let them know, okay, final episode unlocked. You need this to get all the leads your business can handle. All right, something or other. And again, you can add in a Giphy, and I would also send out an email and a WhatsApp to them. So I'm going to send out an email. Keep going. Last episode unlocked. And I'm just going to put some dummy text there. So you want those two. Okay. Another one you want to create is when they hit a playthrough rate. So when they get pretty much partway through the episode with the problem, I'm going to send them an SMS, and I'm going to do it immediately, and I'm going to do, woohoo, you did it. What's your biggest takeaway? Message me back. And I would put in a little Giphy, a link to a Giphy that's a celebration one, a pattern interrupt there. Okay, so I'll do that for the playthrough rate on each episode when they get done, but more so playthrough rate. And with the offer, when you start talking about that offer, which is right about here for me, I think it's around 16 minutes, I start talking about the offer. And I'm going to send that I'm going to send a push notification. So join now, and I'll tell them all about it. Get into our special promo today. And I'll put a link to the image of the offer, and join now with a link to the offer. And I'm just going to put in, all right. So that way they get a in-app notification. They get, I would send them an email. I'll send them an SMS. I'm going to send them a WhatsApp. Like, I'm going to make sure they get it. Something else I'm going to do is I'm going to set a trigger, create a webhook, and I'm going to send them into my email service, my active campaign, so I can do a follow-up to anybody who reached the end but didn't purchase. Okay? That's a little bit PhD level, but I wanted to share that as well. All right. We're going to create all those notifications for them. Let me just do an SMS as well. Grab the offer here. And of course, it'll be worded a lot better, but that's basically what we're going to do. And now there's some other triggers that we want to do. And that's if they don't listen. We want to get them engaged. So I'm going to do one day. If they haven't listened to my required ones, then I'm going to send them a message saying, time is running out. Listen now. And I'll do that with SMS. I'll do it with WhatsApp. I'm going to send them an email. But more so, I'm going to send them a push notification because that will take them right into the show. Hurry up. And you can do listen now. And that will go to the audio show. And there'll be a button right there that'll take them right to the audio show. So these are the automations. I'm going to recap what they are. When the listener gets access, when new episodes become available, when they hit a playthrough rate, and especially when they hit a playthrough rate, finishing the show, I want to congratulate them. Or when they hit a playthrough rate, I'm going to add one in here. So you can pop one in the middle. Playthrough rate, let's see, episode, the solution. So this is when I am going to give them the free bonuses. And basically, I just email that to them. I'll put in an email, free bonuses, unlocked. And I'll put a link to the Google link or whatever to bonuses. You don't have to give them bonuses, but I like to put it in closer to the end of the entire show so that they aren't just coming for the bonuses. All right. So playthrough rates and when they stop. Now, the last one is when they finish the show. You want to create a copy of your show. All right. So you'll create an exact copy of your show. And when they finish the show, you can send access. And I only have one show in this account. I don't have a copy of it, but usually I will name it like Free Leads Forever bonus or something like that. And that way I can tell the two shows apart and I'll give them access to that bonus. I like to send an email to myself. Other things in that bonus copy, I add in bonus episodes, extra episodes that'll help them even more as a special prize for finishing up the full show. So there you have it. You have all your automations completely set up. The only other thing to do is to bring in listeners. So I'll share how to set up your keyword and how to set up your sales page in the next video.